Go. Hey, it's me. I'm back again, Larry. Your old friend Larry. Remember me? There used to be a guy named Josh here. He hasn't been around much lately. I don't know what's going on, but I do know what's going on here. We got Pepsi today. Oh, I got a Pepsi shirt on. Pepsi, Pepsi, Pepsi. And we have some KFC. That's Kentucky Fried Chicken backwards. For all you chicken people. Today we're doing the brand new, out of the gate. Out of the gate, baby. Out of the gate. Sandwich, Zinger sandwich. And we got the box. The box came with the Zinger sandwich and potato wedges and a soda and a cookie, chocolate chip cookie. And here they are. I was starving on the way home. Everybody knows what potato wedges are. That's nothing to review. They were good though. They were good. And the cookie was delish. So, you want to see that again? There. There. Take it home with you. Okay, sorry about that. Anyway, we have the new Zinger and Pepsi. Made with real sugar. Real sugar, baby. So, let's see. The Zinger is the new sandwich from KFC, and it's debuted all over the world for the last 6 months, a year, and now it's back in St. Louis. And we have it here. We have it here. Zinger is a big old piece of white meat chicken, and that's a big one. Look at there. Look at there, guys. Just for you. And it comes with all this lettuce on it. And it comes on a sesame seed bun. And nothing on the bun on the top. Here's the piece of the chicken we're looking at here. It's breaded. It's supposed to be kind of spicy. They say it's kind of spicy. And on the bottom we have a little mayonnaise. And let me tell you, very little mayonnaise. And it looks like some, oh, there's a piece of skanky chicken. I mean, lettuce. And that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Okay. So, for you and me and him and her, let's take a bite of this and see what we got. Just for grins. Just for grins. Nice piece of chicken, that's for sure. Moist. There's a little spice coming out. Not nice. That is good. I'm surprised. Me, personally, I am not a KFC fan by any stretch of imagination. I think most of the time it's too crazy. I think it's overpriced. This wasn't bad. With the whole box, the potato wedges, the cookie, and a large soda, and this was $5 buckaroos. And not bad at all. One more little bite. Some of that bread. It would really help if they had more mayonnaise on it, which it doesn't. The people out there today were very nice, I gotta say that. All KFCs in St. Louis are just ghetto city. I'll tell you, they are all dirty, old. I don't know why. They do a lot of business. They got like 40 stores in St. Louis, but that's not my concern. My concern is to give you a joke, because it's joke of the daytime. And here's the joke today. This joke was sent in, and It goes like this. It's a short one. How does a human embryo talk to another human embryo? They use a stem cell phone. 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 Okay, I thought that was kind of cute. One embryo talking to the other, on a stem cell phone. Cut it out, Larry, it's over with. Okay, get back to the sandwich. Pepsi, real sugar. And it's rating time. This sandwich, on the heat scale of 1 to 10, is my heat scale. 1 being cold, 10 you better have a fire extinguisher next to you. I give the heat I'm gonna give it a 4. It's kind of spicy. It's all over my mouth, and it's a real good spice. The chicken on the whole was very good. It would have been really nice with more mayo and a big old slice of tomato, and there would really set this up wonderfully. But it's not there. The chicken's good. It's moist, a little spice, breading good. Not too bad of a piece of chicken. So I'm going to give this a 1 to 5. 1 being shit, 5 being the food of the gods. I'm going to give this a 3. 1, 2, 3. And that's it for today. We're going to cut a little short. Josh isn't here today, so I got nobody to joke around with except me. And I call it this my little mermaid. And Easter's over. We'll be putting him away. And Larry, you didn't say nothing to me. Oh, Piggy. You want part of this sandwich? Hell yeah, I'll take part of this sandwich right now. I want it right now. You'll get it. You'll get it. You and Hippie Harry talking yet? No. He's still a bastard. Okay, anyway. Tasty, crazy food review show. And remember to keep on going crazy. Bye.